Hello and welcome to another beehiiv feature update where we're going to cover our upgrade user feature where it will allow you as a creator to update your subscribers to the premium plan without the user having to enter their payment information or purchase a premium subscription. We've gotten a lot of requests for this feature because some users want to use it as a reward for their referral program. Some users want to test and make themselves a premium user, or they may have friends or something like that they want to give free access to without them having to pay. So we finally added it, and without further ado, we'll jump right into it. So the first step is to go to Settings. Under Premium Newsletter, if you've set up your newsletter, you'll have a screen that looks similar to this. You'll click Manage Gift Options. When you get to the following screen, you'll have the different free premium upgrades that you've created. So in the creation interface, you get to select a time period and then the duration. So if you said 7 days, then if you said 7 and then days, it would be 7 days. If you said 7 months, it'd be 7 months, etc. So we've created some defaults here. These aren't going to be defaulted in your account, but we've created some common timeframes that we recommend. And then to apply these, you'll go to Audience, Subscribers. A bunch of these are grayed out for privacy, but we'll go to here. This is a personal account. You'll click on this drop down under where it says Gift Premium. Select that, and then from here you'll select the premium plan that you want to provide to this user. So in this case, I want to use this as a test account. So I'll say lifetime gift, and then it'll take a few minutes to update, and then in no time you're going to see this subscription tier move to premium. So it's really that simple. In the future, what we'll have is under the segmentation area, you'll have the option to create a segment of users that you want to upgrade to premium. That'll be coming out later this summer. So make it a little bit more powerful, and perhaps in some ways we'll have some automation to automatically upgrade premium users if they meet certain criteria based on the plans that we have to update the functionality of segmentation. But until then, this is a great way to incentivize users through the referral program as well as get individual users on the premium plan. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to seeing what you build, and we look forward to growing with you. Have a